Welcome, friends, to the Forest Connection. Today, we are going to focus on grounding, connecting with the earth beneath you, feeling steady, supported, and fully present in this moment. So find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably, ideally somewhere you can feel close to nature, maybe outside in the woods, maybe at a local park, or maybe in your garden, by a tree, or you can even be indoors with a window open to fresh air. Make yourself comfortable. Find a quiet, comfortable, safe place to sit. Now close your eyes if that feels right to you. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale gently through your mouth. Let each breath become a little bit slower, a little deeper, as if your body is sending roots down into calmness. Breathe in, hold, exhale gently. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe. Feel the weight of your body being held completely by the ground beneath you. There's nothing you need to hold up on your own. The earth has you. Now imagine the base of your spine, or the soles of your feet, or both, gently connecting to the earth below. Picture your body has roots extending from you, growing down into the soil, deeper and deeper and deeper. Those roots are moving past tiny stones, through cool, rich earth, down towards the heart of the planet. With every exhale, let go of anything heavy that you've been carrying. With every exhale, let go of all the stress, the worry, or the scattered thoughts. Let it all travel down through your roots into the earth. And imagine them being transformed down in the earth. With every inhale, imagine drawing up the earth's steady, grounding energy into your body. It fills you with strength, calm, and stability. With every exhale, let go of anything that has been weighing you down. With every inhale, draw up from the earth that grounding energy into your body. With every exhale, let the stress, the worry, the scattered thoughts travel down through your roots into the earth. Let them be transformed so that with every inhale, you can draw all that energy back up, filling you with strength, calm, and stability. Now bring your attention to the sounds that are around you. Maybe you're hearing birdsong. Maybe you're hearing some rustling leaves. Maybe you're hearing the hum of an insect nearby. Maybe you're just hearing the earth as if it's talking to you. Feel the air on your skin. Does it feel warm or does it feel cool? Is that air still or is it moving? How does the air feel? And how does the air make you feel? Notice the texture between your hands or your feet. The solid support of the earth, the roughness of bark, or maybe the softness of grass. Let yourself be fully here, grounded to the earth, connected to the planet below you. Allow yourself to be fully here. Not in yesterday, not in tomorrow either. Be right here in this moment, connected to the ground beneath you. Take a slow, deep breath. Take another breath in and another breath out. And thank the earth for holding you. Thank the earth for supporting you without asking for anything in return. You can stay here connected to the earth as long as you wish. Let the roots stay deep in the ground and connect you with the earth. Allow the earth to take all those worries away from you through those roots and return to you a sense of stillness. So stay here as long as you wish to become grounded and connected to the earth. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring your awareness back to your surroundings and slowly open your eyes if you had them closed. Carry this grounded feeling with you into the rest of your day. Be steady, be present, and above all, be connected.